You are protecting yourself and put strong, strong, and strong. It's all about you. Is celebration. Anything for this person. You are generous. You are just planning your life with this person. Am I like being falling in? This is a spice when you want to share your good qualities as a warrior. Because they are possessive towards you. They are not getting enough of you. Hi Virgo, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your online psychic love reading for the month of June. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonate with you, take guidelines, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. What are the Virgo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Virgo? What are the Virgo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Virgo? What are the Virgo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Virgo? And we are having here King of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Two of Cups, Four of Wands. What are the Virgo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Virgo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Six of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Ace of Wands, and Queen of Wands. What are the mutual energies, Virgo? What are the mutual energies? Queen of Swords, the Empress. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. King of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Queen of Swords, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Four of Wands, Ace of Wands, Queen of Wands. Aquarius with this Empress. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Two of Cups. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Three of Pentacles. And Virgo, your person getting that you are putting some kind of healthy boundaries around you. You are protecting yourself and putting boundaries around you, and you are stable on your ground. This person is really impressed by you, and that's why they are feeling some kind of soulmate connection with you, a bond with you, a strings with you. This person is totally loving you and really impressed by your personality, your charisma, your charm. They are really, really, feeling bound towards you, soulmate connection towards you, and they want to build this connection. They want to build this connection more strong, strong, and strong. This person is just like feeling bound towards you, connection towards you, and you are their home and you are their celebration. This is the most beautiful feelings to feel towards a person, and it's all about you. When I start reading, I say that what's your person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards you, and what their current situation. And this is cards collect a lot of feelings and energies, sometimes intention, sometimes current situation, sometimes their feelings towards you. But right now, all four cards collect the feelings of this person for you, and this is the most beautiful feelings. When someone feel home, when they're with you, they think every day is celebration, is beautiful. When you are calm, cool, relaxed, kind, generous, and it's like they feel like that they get the home, the whole home with accessories, a luxurious home. You are the totally comfortable person, not just the home feelings, also luxury there with you, and they want to build that home with you, keep build that home with you, and they feel two of cups towards you. You are the soulmate, you are the one. Finally they get it, and you are putting healthy boundaries, and you are protected, and you are just impressed by your personality, Virgo. And you are generous toward this person, generosity for this person, and this is your field. This is your intention. You want to do anything for this person. You are generous. You are just like money, sport, stood by this person's side, emotional sport, any kind of sport, any kind of generosity. You're ready, willing to do that for this person. You are doing a lot of for this person, and your in feelings is toward this person. This person is desirable for you, adoring you. You are prizing this person. You are this person is adorable for you. You really love this person. A lot of feelings towards you got a lot of feelings in you for this person. And with this Two of Wands, you're deciding about something, some kind of plan, some kind of decision making point. Sometimes some Virgo, you are just like, what should you do about your life, and you're making plans and making strategies, and putting everything in sequence. Relevant, the surrounding cards telling me that you are just planning your life with this person, and how to do that. You're watching this from distance, a new passion, inside you for this person, and you also feel like that this person is having a all new sparkling passion for you, the huge passion, and they offering you their love, their affection, their passion with this Ace of Wands, and you are also passionate toward this person, and you are planning your life with this person, and this person is totally adorable for you, totally a beautiful person with a beautiful brain, with beautiful personality, and you are willing to do anything for this person. And also a bit, you are just sometimes you are just like, sometimes you feel like that, what if I'm falling into any, being naive, am I like being falling in love, this person sometimes feel like that the way they are falling in love, maybe it's naive and it's innocence. What if they, got deceived, some kind of deception, and that's a, inside. So the sometimes you have to, some kind of some kind of strictness, have to a bit, strictness in you, but you are in this beautiful energies when you are totally beautiful. All cards are really beautiful. Like this is a spice, queen of sword. When you are not, sometimes you have to little bit strict. This is a spice and radiant, kind, nourishing, caring, loving, taking care, making your environment beautiful. This is a really beautiful, loving reading for you, Virgo. Let's see what else we have for you. What's the outcome of this beautiful situation? What else we have for you, Virgo? And we are having here Page of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, and as an outcome, Ace of Swords. And this person is offering you the emotions, feelings, and love, and you want to share your traditions, your culture, your religion, your traditions with this person, or legacy with this person. You It's about when you want to share, when you want to take this person's good qualities, when you want to share your good qualities with, want to share. This is the most a lot of layers in this Ten of Pentacles, but surrounding cards, I go with this. You want to share your culture and tradition with this person, and this person is emotional towards you, like a teenager, like a, the blooming passion in them and feelings in them for you, and you want clarity and new beginning. And for this new beginning with this person, you are ready to be a warrior, fighter. With this Ace of Sword, you want to have a beginning with this person. You want to carry on with this person, with, as a warrior. You are willing to do anything for this person, and this person is also willing to do anything for you. Even they have to fight, even they have to, being a warrior, they are just like walking through with you. Let's see what else we have for you. Okay, this card really want to, the Devil, Ace of Wands, and as an outcome, Nine of Swords. In upcoming days, this person may be a little bit obsessive, possessive towards you. They really don't want to share you with anyone, and you also passionate toward this person. This person's passion, in reply, you also, again, Ace of Wands. In upcoming days, this is about the future. So you feel passionate toward this person. You feel some kind of passion for this person, and sometimes you feel, when it's beautiful things around you, beautiful feelings for each other, mutual feelings for each other. And when you think about, what if this ruined, what is spoiled, what these when you think about the possibilities, worst possibilities, in anxieties, and thinking about what if we lost it, and that kind of things. That's how Nine of Sword is in your chart, in this position, when you are just like scared of losing each other, and it's giving you anxieties. When you're sleepless, you're restless, because you really don't want to lose each other. So you little bit, this person not not sleeping well at nights, losing their nights over you, because they really don't, 80% I think this is from this person's side. They are losing their nights over you. You are also in some kind of anxieties, because you are just like, what if we lost it, that kind of in you. But 80% from this person's side, they are less and sleepless because of you, because devil is there. They're possessive towards you, and this possessive behavior giving them anxieties, and they really don't want to lose you. They are losing their nights over you, they are losing their sleep over you, because they are possessive towards you. They really don't want, they are not getting enough of you, Virgo. All the time they get you, and they just feel like that it's not enough. I want more, and I want more. They're addicted to you, possessive towards you, obsessed over you. And your passion, this, spark, the sparkling passion inside you. Okay, let's see what your angel want to add in this reading, Virgo. What your angel want to add in this reading? You are flying high right now, which may threaten others, but don't be descendant because others will soon become inspired by your example. Beautiful message from your angel. Let's see what advice messages I should have for you. Share your feelings with your friends, walk, give yourself space, meditate. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person is really impressed by you and feel a bond towards you, connection towards you, celebrating with you. They want to build this connection with you, and you are also really generous toward this person, finding this person adorable and desirable and passion inside you. This person is possessive towards you in upcoming days and losing their sleep over you because they really don't want to, you know, lose you, and they are just like possessive towards you. These are few summaries of your readings, Virgo. Such a beautiful reading, such a beautiful messages to catch. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you, and I wish it resonate with you. Take care. Bye. Ta-ta.